That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beast. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
Think it's gonna work, man?
Yeah, hope so.
Chilling on a Sunday. Just got back riding /X. Trying to wire this stuff up real quick. See what it does. No biggie. Still wiring. Seeing what this thing's gonna do over here.
See that little fucking
mad scientist.
doing the other power to the side.
I have a feeling this is just the beginning, so we'll see. No, it's not crazy to hook up a T602 to these for a Siren. Go ahead and hit that shit. Do you have lights in your dash? Or in your freaking grill? Dash? What a dumbass. Check the junk drawer right here. For some wire to wire that up. Looks good.
Nah.
Pretty hot out. Piece of remote. Oh, the other dude. This is gonna light up right now. Shoink.
Check this first so it doesn't voltage surge. You can do with music. Is it on?
Yep.
I can't tell if it's lit.
Got some more materials. Some Rockford RCAs. Got a pack SNI35. Let's see if this bitch works.
Bitch.
To the Siren.
Bitch.
You guys all twisted up. And we'll connect to the output of the Siren box, which is going to give us our AC. We're going to convert it down to low level. Amplify it with the 602. Getting all into that.
Because I'm drunk.
We're not drunk. Taping it up, plugging it in, getting some audio from that SNI35 to this Rockford Power 602. Make sure you put that shit on all pass. Full range.
I need a... Oh, you made me poke myself.
That's not good.
Not my problem.
Are we acting crazy? What's going on over here?
A little bit.
Yeah, I think we got issues.
It's a pretty good battery.
We're gonna try this out right now. Left channel only. It's not loud enough. Let's bridge it.
To my ass.
Your neighbor. What'd you just do, dude?
Bridged it.
Ah! Louder!
Let's look up some tweeters.
Alright, tweeters.
Instantly watch unlimited TV episodes and movies streaming via
God, it's just loud, dude.
Let's hook up some PP4T, dude.
Uh-oh. More stuff here. It's so obnoxious, I love it. I hate to get pulled over by that. Hate to get It's so fucking loud. Alright. So we hooked up a police siren. You're so loud. To 4.8 and 2 Rockford Pro tweeters and a T602.
Get a video.
Alright, bump that shit.
Go down under here.
Shit, I'm gonna go have some fun right now. Sorry for what I did.
Ow, you made me poke myself.